Begin by looking inside the engine compartment on the right side. You'll want to trace the wiring harness from the stock deck lid down to the connectors as shown here. Press the tab on the connector, green arrow, to release the part of the harness connecting to the stock deck lid. If you are going from a stock deck lid with a removable wing to a fixed wing, the easiest way to avoid the warning light from coming on is to replace the wiring harness with a fixed wing wiring harness available from Pelican Parts. First, securely support the deck lid in the open position. If you don't have a friend helping you with this part of the job, make sure you use something that will hold the wing up and in place while you're working on it. Remove the plastic cover on the deck lid shock that holds the wiring harness as indicated by the green arrow. Next, pry the upper deck lid shock connection off, green arrow. Now loosen and remove the four 10mm bolts holding the hinges to the rear deck lid as indicated by the green arrows. Note on the right side shown, the left side is identical. Once unbolted, have someone help you remove the stock deck lid. Now have someone help you line up the new rear wing and deck lid up with the hinges on the car. Once lined up correctly, thread the 10mm bolts back in and tighten them down snug but not all the way. You may have to make several adjustments to get the new deck lid to fit correctly. You can see in the picture that there is a fair amount of room for adjustment. Remember to attach the plastic cover holding the wiring harness to the deck shocks. Don't forget to plug the new wiring harness from the new rear wing, purple arrow, into the connector on the engine bay, green arrow. Here is a before shot of the car without the rear wing, and here is one with the rear wing installed. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.